Hey guys! We're here today with model and actress Josey Auguste. So today we are going to completely revamp and organize her closet. Perfect time for spring cleaning, and we're going to show you guys a little bit about the process. But before we get started, I just wanted to ask Josey, how does your closet make you feel in the morning? You know, are you excited to get ready? Do you feel overwhelmed? Like, let's hear everything.
I definitely feel overwhelmed. I tend to go for like the same outfits over and over, whatever's like on top of the pile of like disaster. So whatever I can like access easily, I'm always in a rush. I'm late for everything. Possibly because of my lack of organization, but also I just need to be able to better see things.
Totally.
I feel overwhelmed.
And that's always the problem I hear, is that, you know, you're wearing the same pieces of clothing, and I think it's actually 70% of our wardrobe that we don't use. So today we are going to change that, and we're going to show you guys the process, and you're going to get to see some before and afters. So let's get started. Okay, so this is actually going to be a really good closet for you guys to keep watching, because when you clean out your closet, you don't always have to be super unorganized. You can actually be really organized, but you just have way too much stuff, or you're just not organizing it properly. So with Josey, she actually is really, really organized, and I was really impressed when I came over, but everything isn't in the right spot, and so it seems a little bit more cluttered than it needs to be. So right now we're kind of going through, we're purging. I mean, she has some really cool pieces and she wants to keep a lot of them, but she also knows that she doesn't need to keep everything and that she shouldn't keep everything because her closet isn't really allowing for it. Okay, we are here, day 2. I'm ready to go. My hair is slicked back. We're gonna finish up Josey's closet. And like I said before, she's pretty organized, so I just needed to find a few key pieces that are gonna help her stay organized and really just help everything that she owns is gonna have a home. Okay, so I often have clients who want to keep onto their designer boxes. So a really great tip is that you can use them to store receipts, you can use them to store anything in your home. That way they look nice, and if you're into designer brands, you can have them displayed and it'll give that kind of boutique feel. Then she has a nail polish collection. We're going to store that in a box, and we're actually going to switch her teas and put them in here. Especially with nail polish, that doesn't need to be taking up a whole drawer. That's valuable real estate that we want to dive into. So I'm going to share with you guys one secret thing about me. I do not like the Marie Kondo method of folding. I don't think it's an effective way to organize your closet long term. I think short term it looks great, but I think once you start to do your own laundry and you start to get weeks past having your closet organized, you're not going to really want to keep up with all the folding. Also, when it's folded in the typical square, a little bit more of the traditional style that most people probably have right now, it's kind of like you're flipping through a book. You can easily see which shirt you want. If you color coordinate it, and you're looking for, let's say, a pink shirt, and that's in the middle or closer to the top, you know you can just stop. You don't need to go through the whole pile. So that way you just simply flip through the corners. It's super simple. Okay, so here is how I like to fold t-shirts. Just the normal, standard way. No roll, no tuck, nothing fancy, just color coordinated and by category. Closet, now that it's done, we have purses up here. We kept maxi dresses over on this side, and they're all separated by color, by sleeve length. Even though it's kind of mixed in, you want to make sure you have it separated by categories. And then this amazing shoe wall. So obsessed with shoe walls. It's the easiest way to make your closet feel glamorous. Then we have bodysuits, long sleeves, short sleeves, crop tops, again, all organized by color. Maybe hard to see, but she seriously has so much color. It's so fun in here. Then we have sets and pants in there, jackets up here, continuation of the black shoes for the shoe wall, jeans, extra leggings. Then in here we have her workout clothes, so all in the drawers. This is actually one of my favorite drawers, and Josey already had all her sunglasses lined up like this. Super cute, really fun, an easy way to use your drawer space. So now that her closet is completely organized, we have some extra time to ask her a few questions. So I want to get started by asking, how do you feel now that everything's organized? Do you feel better? Do you feel the same?
Oh my God, I feel so much better. I feel like I'm actually gonna wear the clothes that are in my closet now and like be able to make use of the stuff that I have.
Exactly. That's
also
actually
not be so stressed.
Right.
When I'm getting ready.
That's what everyone always says. As I'm going through their closet, they always say, I didn't even know I had this, or oh my gosh, now I have 50 new outfits. So even though it's time consuming, it's really, really worth it, and you actually end up saving money in the end because you don't go shop all the time. Okay, so now we're gonna do a quick round of fire questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, let's start off fashion related, obviously. Okay, boyfriend jeans or skinny jeans?
Boyfriend jeans.
Boyfriend jeans. Favorite place to travel?
Bahamas.
Bahamas.
Love the beer.
The favorite type of beer?
Click Light.
Okay, there you go. What's one thing you have to do before you get ready for bed?
Brush my teeth.
Brush your teeth. Simple. Keeping it simple. Favorite food?
Oh my God, the first thing that came into my head was like those little rice balls with fish in the middle wrapped in seaweed. It's called onigiri. It's Japanese.
Oh, okay. I learned something new. Like it. Favorite restaurant in LA?
Ibaldi.
Ibaldi. What type of food is that?
Italian rock.
Favorite song at the moment?
Ooh, right now I can't stop listening to A Simple Man by Leonard Skinner. It's like an old one, but a good one.
An oldie but goodie. Okay. Next place on your list that you're traveling?
I hope the Bahamas, but I think Canada. I'm going to visit my family.
Dogs or cats?
Fuck, I would say cats, but then I got this dog that is more like a cat or a human, so.
I mean, her dog is literally laying next to us like a human. She has to say dog, and I have a dog, so I'm going to be biased right now. Okay, now what is one closet fact that no one knows about you?
Probably no one realizes that my closet is basically a costume shop. And all my friends come to me whenever they have like costumes or like events that they need to dress up for. Everyone comes and raids my closet because I just have like the craziest, wildest shit.
Yeah, that was the first thing I said to Josey. I said, your closet is the most colorful thing. I mean, you guys should see this. It's literally like I can taste the rainbow just by looking at her closet. It's amazing. It's a Skittles commercial. So Skittles, if you want to film a really cool commercial, come to Josey's closet.
There's literally like a rainbow behind us. There's like a rainbow.
Yeah, you guys, it's this room is like the definition of good vibes, like not just in the closet. But anyway, it was amazing working with Josey. Her closet is so much fun to go through. Like she said, it's like a whole costume shop. It's super fun. Lots of really cute pieces. And if you're interested in a closet clean out, make sure to visit my website. Go to CaitlinJames.com, and I look forward to working with you. Bye.
Bye.